Hello everyone, welcome back again to the part 2 of our market vlog, or should I say a day in our life in Togo. So these are the things that we got from the market. I hope you enjoyed this part 2 of the video. Please like the video, give me a thumbs up and enjoy the video. Yeah, keep watching. Okay, thank you. So there I have ice fish, I have fish, I have meat, and that is chicken. I have chicken, and that is 2 chicken there. You see how small it is. So fortunately for me, I put all the chicken, the fish, the meat in one sack bag, okay, so that it will not stain other things. And yes, it actually stained the bag, so I will have to wash the bag. So now I'm going to be removing some of the other things from the other bag. I already removed pepper. That is pepper there by the side. I have this lemongrass. I bought lemongrass and peppermint leaf that I will use to cook zobo. I use it to cook zobo. So yeah, I got pepper, that green pepper. I don't know the name of that pepper, shabo. It's green pepper, I know. I bought ginger for my zobo. So I bought that is zobo, I think. Yeah, that is zobo. I bought zobo as well. I'm not cooking this whole zobo. I used to measure it. I got a pepper, dry pepper. I used to wash it and then dry it before I go and grind it. If I buy grounded pepper in the market, the thing used to have so much sand. I don't know why. So even this one that I bought, if I wash it, you see the sand inside there. Chai. So that's what I used to do. I bought onion. This onions is very expensive. This is not onion season. So this small onions is like, it was like 3,500 francs that I got these onions from. For I bought tomatoes. These tomatoes are very fresh. This tomato is giving joy. It's very red and very fresh tomatoes. So I bought more tomatoes. It was tomato season, so I bought more tomatoes. So I will store in the fridge. I bought that cup that they used to put a toothbrush. I bought some spices, benny, non-cube, salt, curry. I bought this is bitter leaf. Yes, washed bitter leaf. Then ugu leaf. I bought this ugu leaf, I think, for 2k. Yeah, 2,000 francs. Yeah. The ugu leaf is very fresh. I bought this lettuce. I bought cabbage. Yeah, very big one. I bought it for sensa, I think 500 francs. I bought carrots. So I bought coconuts. Yeah, I bought coconut. I used to break my coconuts, bring out the milk and store it in the freezer in case I want to cook. So that was saint leaf, okra, and palm fruits. Yeah, aku. And that's all what I got from the market, you guys. Thanks for watching with me, and I'm folding my bags so that next time when I'm going to the market, I will just take it and go. No need for me to go to the market and start buying bags, okay, to buy a sack bag. So these are all the things that we got from the market, guys. Market. So I'm going to be cooking. I think this very day I cook I boil the tomatoes and I make stew because I didn't have the strength to cook any soup that very day. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. Please like and comment, subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, and see you on my next one. Doodles. Thanks for watching. See you on my next. Doodles.
My what is this?